So to record your Flipgrid presentation, all you have to do is go to Google Classroom and in Classwork, scroll down to lesson number 3, the Shark Tank presentation, and click on the Shark Tank Flipgrid presentation. Once you're there, it's going to take you to the page where all the videos are going to be uploaded. All you want to do is scroll down. You could also use this button, but the big red record my response button, you're going to go ahead and click on that. It is going to ask you to join if it's the first time that you used it, but if you had recorded your My History presentation, you should already have an account. If not, you could just create one real quick. So once you log on, it's going to take you to this main page to start recording your response. What you want to do is you want to go to the 3 little dots at the bottom that says options, and you want to record your screen. It's going to take you to start recording your screen. You're going to click the blue button that says yes, and then you're going to choose what screen you want to record. There's 3 options. There's your entire screen. There's an application window, so like a little small window that you could choose the size, or do you want to record a whole tab? I would just go ahead and put the whole screen, so your entire screen. I'm going to click on my entire screen, and I'm going to share, and then it's going to start recording. So it's recording your whole screen right now. If you want to stop, you just record stop when you're done. So now that it's recording your screen, you're going to go ahead and open up your Zoom, which is when you're going to be with your groups, and another person in your group is going to be sharing their screen. Everybody must have their cameras on except you, because yours is already being recorded at the bottom. So everybody's going to start presenting their presentation, and as soon as you're done, so as soon as they stop presenting, you're going to click stop sharing, and then start recording. So it's recording your whole screen right now. If you want to stop, and it's going to start recording your screen, and that's all you have to do.